So what to do if your family hates your natural hair? Yes, it can be a struggle. Number one, have confidence and trust the process, because honestly, your family's only mad because they paid for so many salon visits and then you just went and shaved off all your hair, okay? That's honestly the only reason they're mad. Now, I say have confidence because we all know how family members can tear down confidence. So you really need to make sure if you're going to cut off your hair, you have that confidence in place. And if you don't, just trust the process in the least bit, okay? Because once you finally have hair down your back, and you will get there, once you finally have hair down your back, they're not even gonna be mad anymore, okay? Everybody's gonna go, oh, so-and-so, your hair is so cute. Your hair is so pretty, how you get it like that. You know, I'm so proud of you. You always had good hair. I knew it, blah, blah, blah. Number two, always remember you're a queen, okay? Whether you have short hair, whether you're in a wrap, whether you are bald, you are always a queen. And for some of you others, a bad okay? Because your parents, your family will love to tell you how much of a boy you look like. They'll be like, look, I thought I was raising a girl. I didn't know I was raising a little boy, but if you want to cut your hair off, do what you gotta do. Words like that can hurt. Number three, be petty. Point out when their hair isn't done. But this comes with a word of caution. This can definitely get you backhanded, okay? So be careful. Honestly, growing hair is a process. After being, you know, shaded so many times in your family, you start to build up a kind of rage, so it might just slip out. But for me, I used to let it slip out all the time. I was like, what you gonna do? My hair is ugly? Well, look where I got it from. I'd be like, well, my hair is ugly? Well, when's the last time you done been to the salon, huh? My hair is ugly? Well, your hair is all fried. I mean, come on now, what you gonna do? You ever gonna retouch up your roots? Like, you just gonna let it grow? You gonna have half and half? That's what we gonna do? Number four, don't expect anything less from your family, okay? If they don't shade you, if they don't have a problem with it, be grateful. But if they do, don't expect anything less. My family, not my entire family, but a few select members in my family would sometimes say the worst of the worst about my hair. And then they would laugh like it was something funny to shade me or to talk bad about my hair, about the hair that grows out of my scalp that they gave to me. Like, it was okay. So don't expect anything less. Don't be surprised when they say the worst of the worst, okay? But again, if they don't be a dick, because you got a good family if everybody is just loving your curl. Now, last but not least, don't rush growth. I know you want growth. Like I said, they will respect your hair more when it's down your back, but don't rush growth. Don't do it. Because if your parents start to berate you, if they start to get on to you all the time about your hair and you just can't take it, and you start trying all these growth serums, you start trying all these little get growth quick schemes, you're going to start to lose a lot of your hair, unfortunately. And I would hate for you to get so far and then let your family talk down to you and basically bully you into doing something about your hair, when the only thing you have to do about it is let it grow. And you get pushed into that corner of trying different hairstyles, getting all these weaves and quick weaves just so you can please your family, and you start to find out that your hair is breaking off, you're starting to lose length, and then you have to cut it all off again, or you have to go out and get a perm. Because let me tell you, if you rush growth, you're going to mess up your hair. And then once you mess it up, you're going to give your family the satisfaction of saying, I told you being natural wasn't going to work. I told you not getting a perm wasn't going to work. So don't rush growth, okay? We here. Now again, I hope that these tips helped, because I know going through the natural hair journey with your family can be a very tough cookie. Always remember that your family has your best interest at heart. Only reason they're probably not rocking with your natural hair is, like I said, they paid for a lot of salon visits. They are used to your hair looking a certain way. A lot of times, parents cannot deal with change, especially when it's a change that they can't control from their child. So keep that in mind. You're always their little girl, their little boy. So it's hard for them to accept that you're going to change something about your appearance when your parents are the one who built up your appearance. Your family built up your appearance. They bought your clothes. They styled your hair. So for you to go out and make such a drastic change can really mess with them mentally. And they will say or do anything to get their little girl or little boy back looking to how they want them to look, okay? Keep that in mind, all right? I love y'all. Don't forget to share this video. Hey, share this video to a family member, okay? So they know that we're here, all right? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.